Google just dropped an absolute bombshell on the tech world. And honestly, Microsoft should be terrified. This isn't just another update. This is a full-scale invasion of the office productivity space that Microsoft has dominated for decades. Google has deeply integrated its powerful Gemini AI directly into the core of workspace docs, sheets, slides, and Drive, and in doing so, it has sent a crystal clear message: the era of bolt-on AI assistance is over. The future belongs to truly native, intelligent systems that don't just help you work but do the work right alongside you. This changes everything. We're moving beyond simple suggestions and template filling with the new Gemini side panel. Rolling out now to AI Pro and Ultra subscribers, you can start with a completely blank file, and with just one simple instruction, get a fully formed, formative, and contextually accurate first draft. Imagine telling Gemini to write a project kickoff report using last month's meeting notes from your Drive. It doesn't just write it, it seamlessly pulls that relevant information from your own files, your emails, and even the live web. The time from idea to execution is collapsing from hours down to seconds. This directly challenges Microsoft's Copilot, which has really struggled to turn its Office cellular integration into something users genuinely prefer. What makes this so devastatingly effective for Google is the sheer depth of the integration. In Google Docs, you can now generate a complete draft from a simple command. But the real game changer is the match writing style feature. Gemini analyzes your past documents to make sure the AI-generated text perfectly mirrors your unique voice and tone. This solves one of the biggest frustrations with AI writing. It finally makes the output feel personal and authentic. But let's talk about Google Sheets, because the upgrade here is even more dramatic. Forget staring at that daunting blank grid. You can now prompt Gemini to create a detailed budget for our Chicago office move, including columns for landed quotes from my emails and a tracker for actual versus projected cost. Gemini doesn't just design the spreadsheet structure, it actively populates it. Using a feature called Fill with Gemini, it intelligently pulls real-time data from your Gmail, Google Search, and other connected sources to complete the table for you. Google claims this can make complex spreadsheet creation and data entry up to 9 times faster. This is a staggering efficiency gain that makes the manual, template-based alternatives feel ancient. The story continues in slides, which has been similarly supercharged. You can now tell Gemini to generate an entire, visually cohesive presentation, complete with images, diagrams, and text formatted to match your company's brand guideline. And they're promising that full end-to-end presentation generation is just around the corner. Perhaps the most significant change is happening in Google Drive. It's being transformed from a passive storage container into an active knowledge base. At the top of your search results, you'll see new AI overviews, and there's a new Ask Gemini in Drive feature. This means you can move beyond simple keyword searches and ask complex questions like, find the final version of the Q3 report that mentions our new sustainability initiative. Gemini will synthesize answers across all your documents, emails, and calendars, effectively giving every single user their own personal research assistant. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but does it actually matter? Is anyone really switching? The answer is a resounding yes, and we have the data to prove it. The shockwaves this is sending to Microsoft aren't just about features. They're about a fundamental shift in market dynamics and user perception. A recent, comprehensive study by Recon Analytics tracked paid AI subscribers in the US and revealed a stunning reversal of fortune. While Microsoft Copilot, despite being deeply integrated into Office cellular, lost a staggering 7.3 percentage points of its paid subscriber share. That is a 39% contraction. Google Gemini gained 2.9 points, officially overtaking Copilot to claim the number 2 position in the market. The study's findings are damning. For Microsoft's strategy, it shows that just bundling in AI into your existing software isn't enough. When workers are given a choice, they vote with their clicks. In workplaces where all 3 major platforms ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot are available, Copilot's adoption plummets to a mere 8%, Gemini captures 18%, and ChatGPT still holds a dominant 70%. So what's driving this shift? It all comes down to quality. The data shows that Gemini possesses the highest accuracy satisfaction scores among all major competitors, a staggering 23 points above Copilot. The primary reason users gave for abandoning Copilot was a distrust of answers. This sentiment is echoed across the professional community. One IT director in the energy sector put it bluntly, saying, "I'm finding Copilot less than accurate and I'm trusting Gemini more." This proves that in the AI era, convenience alone is not a moat. The platform that delivers the most reliable, context-aware, and genuinely helpful results will win. And Google's new workspace integration is a direct and powerful response to that demand. But Google's strategic vision here goes far deeper than just adding a few competing features. This is a foundational move to establish Gemini as the primary native interface for all knowledge work. This is a future that Microsoft, with its reliance on stitching together different models and legacy systems, is struggling to match. The philosophy, as Google has articulated it, is not to have Gemini stand alongside Workspace, but to make Workspace itself Gemini first. You can see this in how the AI breaks down the traditional silos between Drive, email, and calendar, creating a unified knowledge graph that understands your context and your history. It has a complete workflow transformation. Instead of spending 90% of your time gathering information and 10% creating, the AI handles 90% of the information synthesis, so the human can focus on that crucial 10% of creative decision-making. This directly attacks the core value of Microsoft's Office suite, which, even with Copilot, often feels like a traditional application with an AI add-on, rather than a truly AI-native experience. And this launch couldn't have come at a worse time for Microsoft. Surveys of IT leaders show that while Copilot usage is high, many are finding the actual benefits limited to basic tasks like summarizing meetings. One business application manager noted they were finding little real benefit other than meeting note-taking. In stark contrast, Google's new Gemini capabilities, from fully automated spreadsheet creation to proactive knowledge-based search, are tackling the heavy lifting of content creation and information retrieval. It's addressing the mundane reality of work that other AI tools haven't truly revolutionized yet. By deeply embedding this intelligence into the very fabric of how documents are created, how data is analyzed, and how information is found, Google hasn't just shocked Microsoft with a powerful new AI. It has completely redefined the battlefield, forcing its biggest rival to play catch-up in a game where the rules have just been fundamentally rewritten. The future of work is here, and it looks a lot more like Gemini than anything else. What do you think about this massive shift? Are you Team Gemini or still holding out for Copilot? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech.